An idiot, they'd stick the lips together. Hello everyone and welcome to the start of December double uploads!
Deliver us.
Yes, that's right, at this time of year, I decided to do 2 videos a week. A spoilers rotten.
Thank you, Mother. Might be a nice place to start.
And I also punish myself. So if you don't want to miss any of them, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, all that crap that everyone tells you to do.
Do it! Just do it!
And I thought we would start December double uploads off this year with a video that I'm very excited about. Because if you remember a couple of months ago, I tried these little mini food things, which I thought were ridiculously adorable. And they were made out of like resin and plastic, and they were just very cutesy. And anyway, I wanted to try some more, but some different ones. So I've bought some plant... I'll put my phone on silent, should I? I'm so unprofessional.
You dick.
So I bought some plant ones this time. Little cute plants instead of food. And I don't know whether these are actually the same brand as I did last time. These are called Mini Brands Create. I'm sure the other one was called like Miniverse or something. I don't know. I'm not sponsored by any of these. But I thought it'd be super cute. We're going to be making some absolutely adorable little houseplants. And the best thing about these little houseplants is... I can't kill them because I'm terrible at killing plants. So let's open them up and see what they're like. Okay, so I've got 4 of these little plant kit things. And if you didn't see the last video of the food ones, basically inside of here there's going to be a random mystery little kind of plant that we have to assemble. However, there's going to be a little bit of a difference. So if you remember the last one, we were doing stuff with resin and everything. Apparently that product got recalled.
21 million Miniverse Make It mini sets with liquid resins. The resin in the kit violates the Federal Hazardous Substance Act.
Because obviously it was dangerous. It was resin marketed towards children, and apparently the resin wasn't setting properly in these products. Which I find weird because mine, hang on, I'll show you mine. So I've still got them here. Mine fully set. There's nothing like loose or kind of, I don't know, squidgy or anything like that. They're not liquid, they're fully set. But I think the reason for it is because it was targeted towards kids. It's a kid's toy, which technically it should never have been a kid's toy really. And they're trying to set resin with a UV light. Kids aren't going to do it properly. Parents who are unfamiliar with resin aren't going to do it properly, and then you're going to have these resin little toys that aren't fully cured and are just going to be like gooey mess things, and if it gets on your skin it can cause dermatitis. Some people can have respiratory problems with it. Not everyone will. People are going to react completely differently to resins. Some people are going to be quite allergic to resin. Other people it's not going to bother them at all. It doesn't bother me one bit. I've used resin for years and years and years. The only thing I've ever had is a little bit of dermatitis on my skin, but other than that I've never had any problems. Touch wood. So these ones might be a little bit different, but I'm still excited and looking forward to them. See what our first one's going to be. And they did get fully recalled, mind. I got like a little notification on Amazon telling me that the products I'd bought had been recalled. This was obviously after I'd done the video and stuff, but pretty crazy that, isn't it? Who would have predicted that to have happened? Oh, my phone's ringing now. I've put it on silent. What do people want? I'm busy.
Leave me alone! Damn it!
Hello?
Hiya, cat.
Sorry about that, everyone. I feel like this video is already off to a bad start. Weirdly, I'm just gonna like tell you my life story.
Please stop.
It was the doctor's surgery, and apparently, like a doctor I've seen somewhere else has asked that I need to see a doctor for some reason, so they've made us an appointment. And I asked them what it was about, and they didn't tell us, so... That doesn't sound like good news, does it? I'm sure it'll be fine, but now I'm like, oh... Am I dying?
Optimistic.
Anyway, let's get into this little plant thing. I honestly don't even know what I've been saying anymore. They package these well, mind, don't they? I do find it slightly concerning. Like how much plastic and packaging is involved in these. I just find it very like unnecessary. It's very plastic heavy. But like these things, I can reuse these. This could make like a nice little bauble. And I'm hoping this stuff, I'm pretty sure I can recycle. So I'll try my best to discard it correctly. Right, let's see which one we're gonna get first. Oh my God, let's have a little look what the choices are. Oh, so I'm pretty sure I know which one I'm getting already based on the instructions. So these are all the cute little plants you can get. So you've got like bonsai trees, orchids, cactus, roses, what else? Daffodils, little terrariums. The terrarium's well cute. I hope I get the terrarium. But I have a feeling I'm getting this, what are they called? Like little bell things, snow bells or whatever they're called. I'm such an idiot. They've literally went all over the place. It's my nerves. My nerves are shot to shit now because of that whole doctor thing. Fancy ringing us and not telling us what it's about, and I have to make an appointment and a doctor's requested it. And I don't even know who the doctor is. I swear, as you age, like, your body falls apart, doesn't it? You just start to deteriorate.
Moisturize me.
Which, like, obviously. Oh my god. Look at this watering can. I forgot this is why I love these so much. Everything is so cute and just so, like, little and lovely. Okay, so we've got some plant bits there, a watering can, some magic UV glue. Oh, so we are going to be using resin. Oh, and there's another thing in this as well. There's another little potted plant in here. Oh, cute. Okay, great. I'm wondering whether in these kind of kits, you get, like, a main plant, which is, like, one of the big ones, and then you also get, like, a little mini, like, potted plant. Just like a little tiny thing. Oh, these ones are ultra rare apparently. Imagine if we got an ultra rare one. The thing is, this gets us really excited. It kind of brings us back to my kid days of like collecting Pokemon cards and wanting like a shiny, you know? So this one, I don't think we need any actual glue in here. It's just a surprise succulent you get inside. And I think it just clips together. They're just like that. Look what I've made. A cute little succulent little plant pot thing. Oh, I love that. And there was no glue for that one, but the other one, do I need to use glue actually? I'm just thinking. Because obviously these are going to be like attached to here. Where do I even need the glue? I'm attaching them to there, attaching all that to that. Oh, the glue's for the vase. Where is the vase? Hang on, I'm missing a part. I think I might have dropped it. Bear with us, this might take us a couple of minutes. I'm just trying to find a part that I've lost somewhere in the studio. It's transparent as well, so it's really hard to see. I found it everyone, it's okay. It's quite a hefty thing as well. I find it weird though that the food ones got recalled over resin not setting and stuff, but this clearly still uses resin, and this one hasn't been kind of recalled or banned. So I don't fully understand. Maybe it's because it's not food related, I don't know. Right, let's put this together. It looks pretty straightforward. I think we're basically just gonna put these little white things onto these bits here, and they're just gonna kind of clip into place, I think. And this is what I love about these. They're so detailed. It is ridiculous. Like even with the food ones, the level of detail was insane, and clearly the plant ones are exactly the same. The only thing they can't do with the plant one is have like the fun outer food packaging. Can you remember how like obsessed I was with it? They don't really do that with this, because I suppose it'd be a bit trickier, wouldn't it? And another thing I really like about these is the fact that they're so easy to assemble. It's literally ridiculous. I still don't think they should be marketed towards kids though. So if you are going to buy them for your kids, just supervise them please and do it outside. Perfect. Gorgeous. Look at the detail on them. It's pretty crazy, isn't it? And these kind of have like a rubbery texture, and the green bits feel more obviously plasticky. And then we need to clip this together, and then these just go in amongst here and just kind of slot in. Perfect. Interesting, it's saying to add some of the UV resin onto the little petals and stuff to resemble like water droplets. I don't know whether I want that. I don't think it needs it, to be fair, but it does need the little ladybug attaching. So it comes with this. It says magic UV glue. This isn't going to be UV glue, it's going to be basically UV resin. They might have possibly called it glue to kind of bypass the resin kind of aspect of it. That's what I'm thinking anyway. But it does say you need to leave it in sunlight for 5 to 10 minutes. It'll be reduced time for obviously a UV torch, but something this thick, you want to leave it for quite a while for it to fully set. Right, let's attach our little ladybug. Yeah, it's 100% resin. And then ladybug on like that, and then we'll just get that set. Right, okay, that's fully done now, I think. And now we need to pop our little plant in here and put resin in. I think I'll actually fill it with resin first. And this is obviously to resemble water. I always find these little containers are an absolute pain in the ass to get the resin out of. The fact that the brand in this is special glue is hilarious. Now just take our plant, shove it in there, and then leave that for a good 10 minutes to fully set under this UV light. Okay, I think this should be done now. And there we have it. This is quite substantial, actually. It's not like as small as I was expecting. That's like quite a decent little plant, isn't it? And then obviously we've got our little succulent too. That's a lovely little collection. Oh my god, I'm gonna have a proper nice fancy little indoor cute little garden when I've finished this video. I'm wondering whether I prefer this one to the food, actually. I think that's like proper nice. All right, let's move on to another one and see what we get. Hopefully we don't get any duplicates. All right, second one. Let's see what we're gonna get. Oh, we've got a different one. Oh, we've got an orchid this time by the looks of things. So we're going to be making this cute pink one. I think that's an orchid. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm not really particularly well clued up and knowledgeable on like plants and stuff. I'm almost certain that's an orchid. All right, let's have a look. See if we get a random little succulent in this one as well. I'm wondering whether you get random succulents in them all. There's just like a little hidden extra. Oh yeah, you do. Ooh, I've got a little cactus with a little flower on the top.
Oh my god, I think I just shit myself.
Oh, cute. Oh my god. And these ones are just so easy to assemble. You just kind of shove the stuff in amongst it. No glue needed. And then there we go. It's super cute little cactus. Oh, are you kidding? I proper love these, you know.
I can tell.
I find with the plant version of this, it's a lot less reliant on the resin than the food one. The food one was very heavily reliant on the resin. This one, there's a lot of just clicking together and stuff. Right, let's assemble this one. So we've got our little tray here. This just kind of clicks into here. Yep, perfect. Then it's going to be a similar thing to the last one. And we're just going to put these little flowers onto here. These flowers are a different texture. These are paper, are like a papery kind of material, whereas the white one was a little bit rubbery. Oh my god, I've just realised what it comes with. It comes with a snail. I just caught it out the corner of my eye. You're going to have to see this. I don't know whether I'm going to be able to show it in its full effect. Little cute snail. How ridiculous is that? It's very detailed for how small it is, and it's just got a lot of character. Oh, and this one comes with a trowel, so the rock is just gonna get clipped onto there. We have 2 plants, and they're just gonna click into here, and then these are just gonna go into here as well. And then we've got the little resin to attach our cute little snail. And then again, it's saying to add water droplets on the actual thing with the resin. I don't think it needs it. I think that's a bit too, I don't know, just a bit too far. I suppose it depends on what you like and what you don't like, but I don't know, I don't fancy putting the water droplets on. Last year with the UV torch, that was mega easy. I suppose as well, the good thing about this, if you did want to get this for kids and you don't want to use kind of the resin that's provided, you could use a different kind of glue. You don't need to use this stuff. I was just about to say you could use super glue, but I don't know whether I'd trust a child with super glue either. Would PVA work? I'm not sure. See, I don't have kids, so I don't know how responsible they are with certain things and how kind of monitored little children should be. I feel like they should be very monitored though. I would have thought so anyway. I don't think if I was a parent, I would let my kid just go wild with super glue. It would just end up going badly, wouldn't it? They'd eat it. They'd stick the lips together. Okay, I think that one's done now. So there we have our second selection, an orchid and a cute little cactus. Ah man, the detail is insane. They've probably got it on point. Right, I'm very excited. Let's move on to another one. Okay, fingers crossed we get something good from this one. Okay, what have we got? Oh no, devastated. We got a duplicate. Oh, mortified. So we got the pink one again. I've got 2 orchids. I'm wondering though, in a duplicate, do you get exactly the same succulent plant? Because I'm assuming each one now comes with one of these succulents. So I'm wondering whether I've got the same one. Let's have a little look. Oh, well, I definitely got a different succulent, so that's good. I got a very basic succulent. Okay, I got this little cute one. It's absolutely adorable, so that's good. At least I got something different. But unfortunately, obviously, I've got this pink one. If we get another pink one or another white one, I'm not going to be happy.
Shut it.
Right, I'm not going to bore you. We've seen this one. I'll make it and then I'll show you it. Okay, and the second one done. So now I've got 2 lovely pink ones for my grown plastic garden. But let's move on to the final one, and fingers crossed I don't get another duplicate, otherwise I'm going to be mad. I'm going to be so angry. If we get the cute little terrarium in here, it'll make up for me getting a duplicate, because I really want the terrarium. I think it looks well nice. Alright, moment of truth, what have I got? Are you shitting us? I've got exactly the same one again.
There's nothing I can do about it.
I got the white one. I've got 2 exactly the same. I am furious. Oh, why? I got a white one and a pink one and a white one and a pink one. Literally exactly the same. Proper gutted. Really, really gutted. What are the chances of that? Of the same one, both being exactly in the same tube? Like, why? Why didn't they mix it up a little bit more? Alright, well, let's see what my little succulent's gonna be. Hopefully it's going to be something cute. Oh, well, oh no, it's not. It's exactly the same. See, this is the problem with toys like this. You're going to end up getting a lot of duplicates. So say you want the really, really cute terrarium, which I do. Oh my god, there's so many cute other options. And I feel like I got boring ones. So say you want the really cute terrarium, you might just end up getting a load of the same thing over and over again. And as an adult, that's obviously heartbreaking. As a child, they don't get it and they're just going to cry, aren't they? Right, well, I'll just quickly assemble this one because we've already seen it. And then I'll show off my very similar looking garden. Oh, wait, this one's different.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
It's not all lost. As I was doing it there, I was like, hang on a second. This isn't the same as what I did last time. It's essentially the pink one, but in a different plant pot. Okay, well, then that's not all lost. I would have preferred like a terrarium or something just slightly more interesting, but okay, that's fine. All right, well, I'm pretty sure I know what I'm doing. They're not hard to assemble at all. I do like these. I kind of fancy buying some more. They're very addictive. That's the problem with them. I'm pretty sure I said it about the food ones. They're incredibly addictive. So one goes that way and one goes that way. Oh, cute. Oh my god. Oh, it does look different. And the ladybird's supposed to go on this leaf. I kind of want it on that leaf. It would have been nice if this one had like a little butterfly instead of a ladybird, and then it would have like really differentiated it from the other white one I've got, but never mind, never mind. I'm just taking the fact that it is slightly different as a win. I'm really trying to like just enjoy the fact that I don't have a duplicate. Another duplicate. Okay, and here's my final little plant garden in all of its glory. And I think it looks really nice. I think they're super cute, absolutely adorable, very, very detailed, and I'm just really pleased with them. I think they're just as good, if not better, than the food ones that we did a couple of months ago. And this is the most recent one. I'll give you a little bit of a up close on that one. I think that's quite nice, and it definitely does look different to this white one. It looks way different, actually. I just think the fun little things, proper cute, really cute. I'm still a bit gutted that we did end up getting a duplicate, but this is the reality with something like this. You're gonna end up with duplicates. Let me know what your thoughts are on them. Are you gonna get some? Are you gonna kind of play around with them and stuff, or you're just not going to be bothered, you're not asked. I think that just about does it for today's video. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And again, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications and all that other stuff, because I'm going to be making lots and lots of extra content this month. I've actually got loads planned. I've got so much to do, it's unreal. Will I get through it? I have no idea. I'm going to try my best. But I'll see you next week for some more crafty goodness. As much as I enjoyed them little plants, I'm still a bit concerned about this doctor thing. I don't know what that's about. I think as you get older, I don't know, you just get a bit more concerned with kind of health stuff. You get a lot more anxiety around it. But I'm sure I'll be fine. Well, I'm not sure I'll be fine, but I'm almost certain, because otherwise I would be at the doctor's right now if there was something really wrong, wouldn't I? Yes? Give us some support, give us some encouragement. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. I'll keep you updated though, don't worry. In the meantime, I'm gonna distract myself with little tiny plants.